Damn. Beach. Okay.
Is that your phone?
Yeah.
Wow.
No, it's somebody else's phone. I took Ethan's phone. I'm kidding. All right. We'll give Ethan a chair. We'll let him moderate.
Get to know the track. See what you were doing. I just want to tell him 5 and 6.
Dude, do we want to like do a stream of you like working on the bike over here, or we already got one facing there.
Yeah.
We'll have one facing.
Well, the problem is that
me.
you gotta unmount the Piaggio so that we can put the bearings in.
Yeah.
Or do you want to leave it on there? You want to? I don't want to.
Yeah,
You want
even
to
take
pound
the
them on there
bearings
just
out.
like that?
Yeah.
Fuck no. Dude, I have to do that in front of Ethan.
Huh?
Goddamn.
Pounding them in front of Ethan?
Yeah.
We don't have a choice.
Are you guys saying I might actually have Piaggio bearings thrown in this?
Is this your bracket? No,
Yeah, I do have it.
this is gonna be the bracket for that, brother. Then, right?
Well, just get a socket for that one.
more exotic saying I'm gonna
Here.
have
They're right here.
Piaggio bearings
Right here.
tomorrow. Or the end of the week. You know what I mean?
Well, no,
Well,
you're
we'll
going to
socket.
have stock China bearings that will run in a Piaggio at one point. You'll be able to say that.
At least
Oh,
get a level,
Josh.
you know,
Josh. Okay.
it's closer than it was.
All right. What was I looking for? I need a crescent.
Right, I would lower it a little more.
14?
I got the crest.
14, right here. Here.
I got my crescent right here.
What do you need a crescent for?
The fuller.
Oh.
It's easier because I don't know the size.
Did you bottom out the puller?
Yeah.
God, these hookworms feel so nice, dude. Feel so nice.
It should.
Wait till you get on
Let's take a look at this beautiful.
It's too
thing.
bad. They're expensive, man.
Oh,
$40 per
zinc plated clutch.
pair.
Yeah. He sells these zinc plated now. And then and then guess who does too? China does now too. You can go on Alibaba and buy these fucking same ones. Yeah.
I'm trying to do it first. Yeah. Or first. I mean, yeah.
Oh,
It's.
you trying to do it first? I'm gonna say Ethan did it first, so you know, right? So let's just keep it that way.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Nah, that's cool, man.
It's 3 discs, just like the
Wet clutch.
It'll fall off.
beautiful.
What'll fall off? Okay.
Yeah, I know. Beautiful, man.
Oh, that's the difference there. Ah, I should have brought the wet clutch. So I didn't bring it then.
You mind if I take a part of it right now?
We're paying for it. Just don't fuck it up. Because then you'll
It's not
pay for it.
yours.
It's yours now.
These things, these are bulletproof. Bulletproof if you use
Not
it
if you
properly.
touch
Not if you touch them, dude. We've already seen you destroy these
As
things.
long as you use it right.
Yeah. You see that he did.
So that's the
Hey,
best.
that's from the
And
man.
it goes into the
It goes into the actual.
literally just replaces the pads.
So did you bevel out the gear to get this basket to fit, or how did you
No,
come up with all this?
so I made the basket.
Let me see. Have it here.
It's kind of literally like the
The wet clutch.
wet clutch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This thing
so-
is what
well,
turns the friction plates.
It's
Well,
like
you
kind
have
of
two
a
springs.
it's like a combination
So-
between the wet clutch and
So it's
the
all one.
Merc.
This is the same internal
Internal
spring.
spring, right?
It's just a little bit longer.
Right.
So it pushes on
On that.
Yeah.
that. So
Yeah.
it lets them float.
Right.
This is a modified basket. It's
Right.
still a stock basket.
Mm-hmm.
With longer pins on it.
And you what is that? Tape welded? In the
Yeah.
back? Yeah.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's this inner hub carrier,
Mhm.
so that gets pressed on to the long pins.
Mm-hmm.
See? So So now you got.
So those are your
Yeah,
pads.
so you see what I mean? It's kind of like a cross between a Merc and a.
Yeah. So now you got your whole basket.
Mm-hmm.
Which sits in any one of these. There's an orientation to some of these. There we go. So the basket then fits in all those, all the pockets, all right?
It doesn't slip with a smooth surface, huh?
Hold on. There's nothing that actually moves here. Your first pad, one side is just a contact surface.
Okay.
This.
That's the part that moves.
This is the part that moves.
Okay.
So this part moves with the actual.
Like the wet clutch.
Like the wet clutch.
Okay.
Okay.
Now your first actual friction surface is
That.
is this,
Gotcha. So then you have that spacer.
which is this isn't a spacer.
No?
This is your first friction disc.
Okay.
This is your actual disc.
Oh, I
So
see what's
that-
doing that. That's the part.
That's your carrier.
That's your. Okay, I gotcha. I gotcha.
So the inside hub is now transferring friction from that
Friction from
surface.
what? Right.
All right.
Okay.
Second pad. Now you're just stacking.
Right.
Stack one.
Stack one.
Stack one.
And you
stack
finish off
one,
with that on top. Okay.
Stack one.
Mm-hmm.
Now you have. So your last friction surface will be there.
Right there. Right.
Which now this whole thing, which is. You now have a whole.
And this also moves with it. So
Whole
it doesn't
thing.
move, it doesn't rub on this
Right.
at all. It moves with it.
So this is a more of an equalizing pressure,
Mm-hmm.
which is what this presses on this.
Presses on that. Right.
Yeah.
And then it all moves together.
So now this would be.
Whoa.
So in theory, could you run this wet?
Sure. You're gonna lose a little bit of friction coefficient.
What did he say?
So
Run it with fluid, wet.
Yeah, because that's what your dad was asking. He's like, "Why are you running it wet? Like, why are you running a wet clutch?"
so the friction material. This is a centered bronze material. This material is meant. These pads, the actual friction material here,
Yeah.
is made to. The friction coefficient for these is there's two different friction coefficients. You have your wet friction coefficient, your dry friction coefficient.
Right. Right.
You're going to have a friction coefficient of 0.4. So 40% of the torque that you put into it is going to be transferred dry.
Dry.
You put oil on it, 6%. You're going to lose 30% of your torque when you put oil into it. So you lose a shit ton of your clutch capacity. All right, so now how do you counteract that? You multiply your friction surfaces.
This is the man
By
that
4.
designed this clutch.
So now
Use my code 20 bikes for 5% off your orders.
now you multiply.
At his site,
You
smolicperformance.com.
multiply all your plates by 4. So with a wet clutch, I can get the same amount of friction with a wet clutch if I put 12 discs here, which is why you see a lot of dirt bikes. They have a stack of
Yeah, they got like 5 or 6 or 7.
stack of plates here that are this big.
Right.
You can get this exact same amount of torque in a disc pack that's this big with a dry clutch. You have the downside of you have
A lot more wear.
wear, heat, you have chatter, because
Right.
now you have
Yeah.
dry plates, which Ducati is famously known for. You hear a Ducati on the road, you know it goes
Yeah.
you hear it. But you have this here, you put a little bit of pressure on that front plate
Yeah.
and it's locked up.
It's locked up. Yeah.
Wow.
And you
Good shit,
have
man.
your extended flower nut, which uses the stock flower nut, same thing, with a little extension on it that sticks into the stock pin. So I try to make it as like
Repairable.
as bolt on to a stock system that you could be, so that you can bolt it onto any bike. Doesn't matter what level. It could be a stock bike. It could be a fully built bike, and it could be usable on just about anything.
And then we would still need like an HD spring and all that stuff, right? Or in the shaft and all that stuff, right?
I would recommend it. You
Yeah.
probably don't need it,
Right, you would need it.
but
The friction surface.
I would recommend it.
Mm-hmm.
Because you're gonna be, well, it depends. You're gonna be probably not gonna be hitting the power band nearly as much as you want to be.
Right. Right.
You just won't have the ability to.
Right.
But
What do you mean? Oh, because with the spring, yeah.
Well, because the So gear setup we
Your
have.
gear.
Oh, the
Yeah,
gear
you
setup.
just won't be on the pipe.
Yeah,
so
you're
you're,
right.
you won't be abusing really the clutch at all.
That's all right.
But if you're gonna be trying to clutch it to get into the power band, then I would say you want to put a spring on it.
Okay, because I just realized that. Yeah, where's our
We have
our?
that thing that Raul has.
Oh,
We
okay.
need keys though. Well, we can steal
You
keys.
can
out
still
of that
keys
thing.
are that thing,
Wait, what?
We're stealing keys out of it.
yeah. Keys.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What's going on down there too? It seems to be taking quite a while.
Because I've been standing around.
You've been jerking off over here. You're, awestruck.
I don't mind. I'm just soaking in my bike right now.
No, but that's cool, man. So what made you want to do that, or how many years did it take you to kind of get
So I ran RDM's clutch for multiple years.
the stage 4 one?
I ran his stage 3 setup, which was just a heavy spring with pads and the plate. And I could get about 8 laps in before my race is 10 laps.
Right.
I could get about 8 laps in before my pads were toast. Almost to the dot. 8 laps.
Oh man, you're not really pitting.
Okay.
You're not trying to pit during your.
You can't.
Yeah, you can't.
It's not possible.
Oh.
So it was like event after event after event. I would be either babying it to get me through the race, or I'd be pushing it, and 8 laps in, clutch would slip, and I'd be down. So it got to a point where I built a bike for Weston, which you'll meet. He's got the red Ferrari bike.
Yeah. With the jog on it? Or
Yeah. So we run identical bikes. We have clones. Our bikes are exactly
that one
the
and the
same.
purple one?
Is that my phone or your phone?
That's my phone.
Okay. On your channel?
The
Yeah.
only thing that's different on both of our bikes are the tires. Other than that, we have identical bikes.
Who?
Me and Weston.
Well, you must.
Oh, he's running, is he running bike tires? Bicycle tires?
No, he's on motos. They're on
Oh,
17s.
okay.
What
Yeah.
engine do you
It's
use?
just
What
physically different tires. Like I run Bridgestones,
they're
he's got Midas tires.
Right.
Oh,
That's it.
okay.
Oh, yeah.
They're not different size-wise, or?
No, they're both 17s, 17 motos.
I heard those Midases are really like tough.
I don't recommend them.
Yeah.
They're really slick. Weston's really good, so he makes it work. But yeah, they're not great. They're good road tires, not good track tires.
So,
But
what engine have you been racing? Your Menace, or do you do other things?
no, I race the stage 6.
Okay.
The Mineralite horizontal.
Okay.
But yeah, so when I built,
Like this one, or they're different,
it's very similar to that. It's just
Not the
the
idea.
Mineralite
Just the Mineralite
version
horizontal,
of
right,
that.
version of it,
Yeah,
right, right.
it's basically that engine.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
the Mineralite version.
version of it, right?
But we built, so I did that probably either 2 or 3 years ago, where I built these 2 bikes for him. One for me and one for him, and so he was going to be our team rider. And it got to the point where like I'm not putting him through that pain of my same clutch issue. Like,
Right.
I can't do it anymore.
Right.
And I'm tired of it. I'm sick
Right.
of it. I can't stand this.
Right.
So, and I've had this concept.
What's the hose for?
There's something that I haven't done yet, so I'm not gonna tell you.
Okay.
Right now, nothing.
Okay. They're threaded too.
Right now, the only thing that they use is if they get stuck in the basket, they're used as like press pins to pull them out. That's what they're used for right now. They might be something later. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. You already said too much, bro. You just opened the door for him.
I might have an idea.
So I was like, I'm tired of my clutch blowing out. I use the stage 4, same issue. First of all, it grips, but like it's so the adjustment range is so small with those the bevel little washers. You have the tiniest little bit of adjustment range, and as soon as that inner bolt starts to wear a little bit, your clutch adjustment's gone. You're dragging again. So
That's
I was
terrible
sick of that. I had no.
I just run it like locked in the whole time.
But then you're sitting at the finish
I know.
line or at the
Yeah.
start line. You can't. You have to start your bike.
Yeah.
You can't do that. It's just not good. So I was like, I've had this concept in my head. I did it when I was, I don't know, sophomore or junior in college. It was, I don't know, probably that was in 2017. So it's been a bit now. I had it all on paper. I did a rough CAD model of it, which I have somewhere. I'd have to dig for it, but it was the bones of what this started out to be. And the reason I never really did it was sourcing.
Oh.
Sourcing that. Yeah.
You can't get these.
Yeah. Why did you use some that you can't get? Like, why didn't you use some that you can just get like for?
You want to find them?
No.
You can't.
You can't.
That's the problem. You can't.
Well, how do
Why-
dirt
why
bike
not
clutches
make it-
and how do
They're
they
all
get?
wet. And the ones that you can find that are dry, they're this big.
Are ginormous.
They're huge. Their clutches are big.
So
You
how are
cannot find something that is the size of our gear that's dry.
How did you? So you called and called and
I
called
made
and
'em.
called. You made them. Oh.
Got them made.
Oh.
It's the only way you can do it. Do it
Okay,
yourself.
that makes sense.
You're having. Them
I mean,
made.
I'm not making them myself.
You're having
I'm
them
getting
made.
them made. So
Now,
Be careful.
is this coming from China or is this? made
no,
here?
no. There's a company in the Netherlands
okay.
that I get them from.
Yeah, because dude, obviously it's
Oh,
gotta,
yeah.
it's gotta.
So
Good parts.
yeah, I looked for a while for different companies. I contacted a couple places in the U.S. And nobody could really do sintered. They could all do bonded, and everything that was bonded was thicker than I wanted. I wanted them to be like under 3 millimeters thick. I didn't want the stack up to be too big. I wanted them to still fit within the.
All because you wanted to.
I wanted it to be small.
Yeah.
I wanted it to
As
fit the
compact as
profile.
possible. Yeah.
So
I need a.
I think,
wires. I need to get the master one.
when I asked you if you could use one of those, but you said something like the bearing being too high or something. Can you explain that?
Oh, the seal bearing.
there's nothing that holds that bearing in.
Yeah.
Confused.
The bearing, like,
Yeah.
there's nothing that
Yeah.
holds it in. There's no interference fit or anything.
I'm still confused.
Like,
I know there's a bearing inside the ball
yeah,
bearings
but,
and all.
that's like captured
Yeah.
with the way that it's designed. This can come out. It
Floats.
It can float. Which is
That
why
was-
which is
that-
why the RDM is the way that it is.
It could separate.
Yeah.
Yeah, that whole gear
It
lifts
can
off.
come off freely.
So that's why nobody uses this.
It works fine in a stock setup because you have one plate pushing down.
Right?
But now you have
You got enough black now.
a gear that relies on this being in a defined location all the time.
Yeah.
Okay, now guess what? This pops off.
Mm-hmm.
Your whole clutch just popped off.
Right? But the plate can't hold that together.
It does, but you have an entire disc pack that's also floating.
Okay? Right. When you disengage.
Correct.
Right.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Right.
So
So like,
I can get one of them to work. I can't get 100 of them to work.
okay, so like
Reliably.
this basket slides off the bearing. This gate.
And the bearing itself also slides off of the
Yeah.
whatever this thing is.
Yeah, the like inner plate, I
Yeah.
guess.
The backing plate. I don't know what's
Yeah,
called. I
it
think.
doesn't even have a name. I actually have a question.
Why not
So
just take one of them? Just that word. I'm just kidding.
Welding bearings doesn't usually
Yeah.
go well.
Yeah, I'm just kidding.
yeah. So what's to stop this when you pull in your clutch? Because you know this whole stack moves out, right? Like what would stop this from like coming out and like disengaging from the?
It does float a little, I think. It does float a little.
A little bit,
But
it
like
does.
to the point where it would like completely like come up and out
Well,
and spin freely.
No.
Come on.
Yeah, no.
Come on.
These are. Okay, this is not enough for.
Oh,
this
because
is
of
not-
the
when
amount
you-
of travel that it
Yeah,
has.
you're also
okay.
Yeah, yeah.
sharing the travel between all of these two.
Yeah, okay, I see what you mean. All right, okay.
I don't do it
But-
this way.
It was really the race. It was these races that made me make this clutch because I needed a clutch that could withstand finishing a single race.
Go down.
And I needed one for myself, and nothing on the market could handle it. So it got to the point where, I was like, I need to make something. And it was like maybe a couple weeks before the race that I made the entire thing.
Really?
I mean, I got the discs made, but it was completely unproven.
No, it's not.
I put it on Weston's bike. I didn't run it myself. Weston was the,
It's just, it's because.
he
I
ran the
don't do it this
prototype
way.
the entire weekend, and
Cooler.
it did great. And then it was
No,
like,
I
all
do
right,
it like
that
this.
was the
No.
the pre-release
I do it like
for
this, watch.
this clutch. And,
No, those pins, those just hammer in, or
they're pressed in, so
Okay.
I take stock gear,
I do it
Right.
this way. No, just
press
pinch
out the
spot
old
it a little
ones.
bit.
we'll take long pins, press in new ones, then I take weld the backside.
oh, okay,
The first I started out making them
where they
where they were not
right.
well
And that
welded.
was the issue that you were having.
Huh?
That was the issue that you were
What
having
is
with
it?
those
So-
pins. The pins would come out.
Oh yeah.
So it was.
I literally had two come out in like one ride.
I
Yeah.
remember that.
So the one that I had Weston race, it wasn't welded. It was just all pressed, and it didn't have that issue. So we ran it the entire race, and it was good. I was like, all
So you
right,
found this guy.
guess it was all good, no problem. And
It was funny.
didn't even
when
think
I-
about like.
Quality control, man.
Yeah.
The next day,
Well,
the next
it
day I
it
tested
happened to
it.
other people too. It happened to
Yeah,
other
yeah,
people
yeah,
well before
right,
you
yeah.
did.
The next day I tested that. I was like slipping the clutch, and one pin falls out. I'm like, fuck. I think I need to get back home slowly,
And then the other one.
and then I fucking slip it again, and another one falls out.
How come you think they?
This
they fall
time
out? You
I
think it gets hot enough to where
got home
the
slowly.
hole
I
expands?
think it's a mix of thermal expansion, but also just tolerances, China tolerances.
Fair
If you're relying on every single basket being the exact same, you have one basket, the drill hole is just a little bit bigger than the other, and it doesn't press quite as tight. I mean, I'll get 100 baskets, and you cannot get.
yeah.
I
Right.
got 300 on the way. They should be delivered in 2 weeks. Just the one I'm waiting for these things to be back in stock. I've been waiting
Yeah,
for a
yeah.
while. And I'll go through this entire batch, and there's just going to be like 4 different versions of these clutches. That's just how it is. You cannot get everything to be exactly the same.
Right. Yeah.
Have you ever done more than 3 pairs of the plates, discs?
I haven't. Mostly because I haven't needed to, but I can. All it is,
Yeah. It's just the
it would
height.
be
It's like the height
Yep.
of that.
I would have to make
Make
that
that
longer
longer
and then make
yeah.
that longer,
Yeah.
which I can do. All
Yeah,
of
that's-
the material for this is bigger, and the material for this is bigger. And then
10.
Yeah.
I would
Where's
I
the
would
key
make
for
these
thing?
pins longer.
Yeah.
So it is easily
Have you
adaptable
ever-
to put more on.
Did you do first pair and then second pair and then 3 to see what works?
No, I did. So this is all.
So you started with 3.
I started with 3. There's math that was done to pick 3. There is a theoretical torque calculation that this should be able to handle. And I knew theoretically what our engines should produce or could produce, and I knew that 3 would give us
It just keeps cooling up. It just keeps
enough
cooling
and
up.
over that
Pull it.
for a
What's
while.
going on?
I'm sure at some point somebody out there will need 4 or 5, but
Yeah, what's going
I
on?
don't
Have
expect
you
it.
ever considered making different versions, selling one pair, second pair, and so on, like different prices?
Good question.
Like,
I-
can't because it's engaged.
I
I
mean,
have thought about it. I've considered it.
But you would have to
Probably
cut
not.
more, because shorter, you cut
So
more,
correct.
cost more.
So this comes back to it would be cheaper in you save So you save material on you save one plate and one plate, but now I have 2 or 3 different versions of this, and now I have to have more inventory for this, more inventory for this, more inventory for this, and now this part just got more expensive, this part got more expensive, and this part got more expensive, because now I have to make 3 different versions of, or 2 different versions of all 3 of these parts now.
Oh,
So if I can make 300 of one part, this will always be cheaper than 100 of 3 parts.
Yeah.
It's like
In the long run, I think I chose the 3, and I did consider doing a like more budget version, and
that only had 2.
that only had 2, but ultimately it would end up just being more expensive because I would just have to make.
It would be more of a process in order to have.
Yep. The
Right.
process itself would get more expensive.
Yeah, I've found that that's the big thing.
It's not really the part itself; it is the process. that's
Exactly, and
expensive.
the amount of operations and the machining time. Yeah.
It's all the unforeseen costs, which is a lot of
Exactly,
which
Yeah,
is
and
a lot
they
of what
add
this
up.
is.
really fast.
I'm sure you remember, but I had the issue where all the tabs broke off.
Yeah.
But have you ever considered making this area thicker, more surface area for these, so that it's a little bit taller, a little bit above, more, maybe more stronger, if you know what I mean.
Yeah. So I think what you're looking at would be.
Yeah, where's the needed?
You can,
So
and also that way you could also move the first friction plate up above the small bevel gear so it doesn't shred or eat it up.
the way I think there's design choices to make in everything, and there's pros and cons to both, right? So you have trade-offs where I either choose, okay, there is maybe 1 or 2 instances where, for your example, you can very heavily abuse something, and there is one failure mode where that could happen, and it did, right? If you are constantly hammering this thing back and forth, eventually it will hammer so hard enough that it can break the tabs off
From slipping.
from just constantly slipping. Is that
Yeah.
worth? Is one failure of abuse worth
Redesigning.
Well,
Or-
not
well-
if this was from an initial design point, and this is what goes through my head for designing a part. Is that worth how everybody else? Because I've got hundreds of these things out here.
Sure. Yeah.
Everybody else is going to say, well, I'm not going to do that. I don't want my clutch to be a 1/4 inch thicker. I don't want it to hit my
Yeah.
crank. I don't want
Right.
to deal with putting
Yeah.
extended crank arms on my bike.
Yeah.
I don't want to deal with
problems
all
that
of these
it's gonna
other
cause.
problems that it causes.
Just
So,
for one person.
One
with-
person,
Yeah, an issue.
this
Yeah,
one person.
I know.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
these are things
yeah.
that go through my head of, okay, it's called risk cause analysis. So I'm weighing the balances of what are the risks and what are the causes, and how can I analyze what kind of effects do they have.
No, it's not stripping.
And
No.
there's nothing is perfect. Nothing is ever perfect. You're always going to make something that it's better in some ways over here for these people, and it's better over here for these people. And it's also always weighing how can I make the best product for someone, but also not make it so expensive for people. Like I can make this all out of steel. I can make it so it would never happen. It's gonna be a lot more expensive.
Yeah.
Do you want it to be way more expensive?
I mean,
You already say it's too
you have
I
expensive.
mean, there may be
You have to be
more
competitive
people
too.
that
Right.
want to do the
Yeah.
same thing, you know.
Because then
slipping
why
the
would
clutch on
somebody
the
not just
track.
go out and buy something else?
Right.
You know.
So there's these
Yeah, one?
you're
But
weighing these
I guess
these
for
balances
now you
of-
don't have to do all that until more people.
Well,
So-
I feel like a lot of people
We'll
have
see.
to have the same.
But this is where this is why I made my own group, and this is where like all of the community then puts in their input for
Experiences.
things and their experience. Where okay, if there's
Mass feedback.
a lot of things that are happening
You'll
or
see
your
it.
opinions, or if things are failing all the time, it's like okay, I hear you, I see you, I'm getting your feedback, I appreciate the feedback. I might not love the feedback.
Yeah.
Like it's not always great to hear that things are failing, but like bad press is always good press because
Exactly.
you're getting feedback.
Yeah.
It's always beneficial because it helps me make my stuff better. It helps me make my stuff better for you. So if I can make things better for you, that means I can make things better for everybody. So
Yeah, I don't know.
Now, if everybody is, experiencing all the same things, then I go back to the drawing
I'll
board.
let you know if
and,
I ever break into the stabs.
I hope you don't, because nobody else has ever done it. You're the only one.
Yeah.
So.
I don't know. I just thought that.
It is a
People
good
may-
thought. I've thought of it. Could it be extended up a little bit? Maybe.
I just thought that
Is
people
another
could
millimeter,
do
yeah.
the same thing on the track. I don't know. Slip the fuck out of their clutch.
Nobody really does.
Get into the power band
You-
after they get at the curve
I
or
think
something.
he's like in a
I
class
know.
of his own when it comes
Yeah,
to
I
that.
don't know.
Yeah,
You never know.
I really don't see a whole lot of people slip in the clutch.
I
like
know.
that.
I know. Well, I mean, in
they
they do it at the start. So they do it at the start.
Yeah.
They fucking slip the clutch to get into the power band as
Yeah,
fast
but
as
that's only
possible.
that's basically only once.
Yeah.
What?
It's
So,
only
I mean-
a one-time thing. People aren't doing it around
I
the corners,
think this
though.
is one of the reasons why he designed this, because the stock or whatever they don't hold up well to slip in the clutch at the track, taking off,
Well, especially if you're
So-
running a lot of power through it,
and
or when
also
you're trying to run the most power that you can.
to hold a lot of power, especially under
Yeah.
a lot of heat.
Right.
It still grips pretty good under, even if it's burning.
Yeah.
Even if it's burning.
I guess one thing that I kind of thought of is I was trying to wonder myself about why you wouldn't do external springs, but you mentioned the having it be compact and
There's so many reasons. I think your external springs are.
that one's got a SAF on
Don't even get me started.
it.
You're balancing 3 springs that you now have to try to evenly get perfect distribution.
Sure.
So now if this one spring is pressing in a little bit and you go to release it, it's now doing this.
Yeah.
And it's not perfectly
Right.
adjusted. Okay. Now you put heat into the plate. Springs absorb said heat.
Okay.
They expand.
Right. Yeah.
They deflect.
Mhm.
They now press into the clutch.
Yeah.
Okay.
I see.
Another failure mode there. Another thing is the biggest one was they're just huge. They hang off the side. Like
Yeah,
they're
fucking massive.
they're ridiculously large for no reason. You have a perfectly good spring inside.
Damn.
Like we already have a spring inside of the engine. Why bring it out?
Yeah.
Use the parts that we have already given to us.
Exactly.
You got that clutch.
Feel like my boost ball. It's not even hooked up. No,
I actually thought he bought that.
No,
2
you
years ago.
thought I was serious.
Especially
are you
especially
serious?
yesterday.
Yeah.
I mean, if
When
you're
you
on it,
picked
No,
up-
I was
Are you
really
serious?
fucking with him. I was telling him I was gonna put it on the Piaggio.
I mean, you can do that. It just doesn't last long, right?
What do you mean?
The bottle.
It doesn't do anything.
Well, I
I
mean,
just don't think it will give you really any benefit at
can
all.
you? I don't
If
fucking
anything,
know
it's more of
anything about
another
boost
one other spot for
Yeah.
safety.
Yeah. There's
So like,
there's like
so like
very-
nobody pressurizes these or anything with. I know
no boost bottles. So the theory behind the boost bottle, not for like compression or like extra air pressure
Oh,
or
wait.
anything.
And then I hammered
There-
it
It's something to do, like-
put it in a vice. And then hammered it
It's a
down.
reverberation chamber. So
right.
they're tuned to a certain frequency, and they do work in a very, very, very
Small.
specific
Yeah.
small window. But they have to be perfectly tuned for that exact window.
Can you
Everybody
explain
that's
that a little?
so okay, it's like an expansion chamber,
Mhm.
right? So your expansion chamber works off of pressures and sound waves, right? So your pressure is moving back and forth at a certain frequency, at a certain speed.
Well, the other one to it.
And there's a resonant
Unless
frequency
you think
that
you
it
strip
syncs
this
up
out.
with the time
But
of
it's
your
much
piston.
shorter, and that works for a higher RPM, right?
So short frequencies work at high RPM, low frequencies work at because it's slow work at the low RPMs.
To get
Yeah.
to
Same
get that
idea
part.
happens in your intake. there's pulses, frequencies that happen in your intake. Okay. So frequencies are going back and forth in your intake because your piston's moving up and down. Same thing is happening.
the waves.
Yeah. So that's also occurring inside your intake. At some point, there is going to be where your intake speed is not matching the frequency, the resonant frequency of your intake pulses.
Actually, I'll leave it.
So the theory behind this boost bottle is that it captures
You guys gonna put it back
that
together,
resonant
right?
frequency,
Yeah.
and then it basically dissipates. It's
Make sure you
called
put the wash
like
in for him, right?
the interference frequency, and it would counteract it to reduce the
That's right, Jerry.
the
We ordered
damping
bearings. Hopefully
effect
they'll
or
come in.
the
I
clash
was
of
gonna
those
ask Ethan if
two
he has
sound
any by
waves
chance, but I
together.
don't think he would probably.
But it has to be perfectly, like you have to know what that frequency is, which is usually shown on a dyno, or taking pressure samples, measuring those sound waves and measuring those pressure
Well, I mean,
signals,
could be, right?
feedback.
That magic small.
And then
Right.
you need to tune that bottle. A certain size bottle will have, you can change the diameter and the volume, just like you would an expansion chamber,
Two things I have to do.
to change the frequency that it runs
I
at,
have to make.
to then counteract the frequency of the intake pulses.
Go ahead.
Right? So, so that adds a little bit more power, right?
You have to make an exhaust
It doesn't
gasket.
add power.
Intake
It-
gasket too.
It causes what you see typically
Tell me a
in,
boost bottle adds power?
no, it causes it reduces a reduction in power. So what a boost bottle will do in theory is on a dyno, you'll see a rise and you'll see a little dip, and then it'll go again. That little dip is that resonant frequency in your intake pulse. That's where those two sound waves are clashing. Okay, that boost bottle is meant to absorb the one and allow it to flow with the other. So that boost bottle then will reduce that dip and will smooth it out.
So, you mean,
And
as
this is
like,
all- but
it
this
won't
is all
add-
in theory because obviously they're not tuned correctly.
In our application, absolutely not. They do work when used correctly in that tiny little window. None of our applications work.
Yeah, I don't
So,
think I've ever
they
seen
don't-
anyone actually be able to prove that it actually makes power.
Yamaha
Well,
did it.
I mean, like in our application.
No, they do work, and they only work when there is an issue, and that issue, the
Yeah.
issue is that resonant intake frequency clash. That's it.
okay, so that dip you're talking about is that higher up, like almost peak RPM, right?
Not necessarily. It's
Okay.
it's a
I'm up.
function of your intake diameter, your carb diameter, your reeds. It's the whole system.
Yeah, I remember a few months ago on my Piaggio when I did the modifications to the header, getting more RPM. I noticed that around 13,000 or more. I don't
You thought
know.
about putting
There was a
boost bottle
dip,
on it?
and then it picked up again.
So there's also, you have a lot of things. You have ignition timing. You still have your pipe. You have reed flutter.
Yeah.
You have carb tuning. Like there's so many other variables in there that are most likely the issue. It's
Goes right here.
most likely not a boost bottle solvable problem. This was like a thing that Yamaha did in the 70s because or 80s because they had an issue where everything that they
Oh, yeah, 'cause I'm
tried,
trying to draw
they
out this
could not
gasket,
reduce
right?
this dip,
The other
because
thing
their
too is I just
system
want to lose.
had
I don't
this-
want to lose Jared.
had this
stuff
resonant
either.
frequency.
I'll pull it.
And they were like, well, the only thing that we can do to solve it is build an expansion chamber for the intake. And it was a Band-Aid. And it worked. But I think you
Yeah, I
can do
heard about
other,
that.
I think you can, it's called the EASE, the Yamaha induction something system. I forget what the E is.
Yeah, that is interesting.
Yeah, it in theory there is an application, but when actually using it in practice, you most likely will not get any benefit or nobody will ever get benefit from it.
Yeah.
There's a lot of math there, and
I mean, obviously you know, but I don't like BBL because they target the beginners in case they don't know anything, and yeah, so scummy.
They target the people that are just they have really good marketing. And
Yeah.
Marketing is that's their selling point. So
Yeah.
whether it's good or not, they market it well.
Yeah, but also the prizes.
Perfect.
Giveaways, yeah, that's all marketing.
Thank you.
Cool.
Yep.
So it fits any bike or any motor.
These are the friction plates.
Hey Ethan, this is just
These
throwing
are the
this out there.
friction
By any
plates.
chance, you wouldn't be
And
able to.
these
You
go
wouldn't have
in
access to like
and move
clutch
with
brakes
the
for
gears.
this
The
Piaggio
basket.
case right now.
No,
And
no.
these are the steel.
I've seen the breakdown. He's got a little thing where it breaks down and shows
Yeah,
the
video.
distance and everything on it. Yeah.
He just did a whole thing right now.
I know.
He's not gonna do it again.
Bro, I know.
I'll do it again.
You don't get it. You don't get it. I looked into Somalic for the longest time, and the only reason why I didn't do it was because I saw the wait time.
Yeah.
And the motor was just, I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna wait. The races are gonna start by the time it gets here.
What?
When I was first talking about possibly ordering a Somalic, the stroker motor, that's how I was gonna start off.
Did you
What,
clean
tier,
it?
Like the tier
No,
3 motor?
I brought
The one that's 42.
no, I don't clean any of them.
Damn.
The Menace,
Oh, the-
basically.
oh,
I have
the
brake clean
Menace
now.
90.
I bought
Yeah,
some.
Minister.
I brought it.
Yeah, the Menace 90.
You
I
bought
don't-
extra what?
I just bought it. I went to Walmart earlier.
Oh, okay.
I don't clean any of them because if you clean it, the plates will they flash rust. 'Cause
Yeah,
they're
he
hardened
ships
steel.
these in oil so that it doesn't get rusted
Oh, okay.
on shipping, and so that the customers don't blame them for
I look at that, it just reminds me of a part. It's just like that.
Well, no, if you have a rat bike build, then it's perfect. You just let it flash rust.
This won't though. That won't
Well,
rust,
I
but
mean,
the inside
just
plates,
like-
if those get
Oh.
hot and you let those sit out in moisture, because these are like they're hardened steel. Those plates, these will absolutely flash rust.
the oils. Does it also count finger oil?
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
I will take like a clean rag, brake clean. Don't use carb cleaner.
Mhm.
It leaves behind.
Oh yeah, they cut
There's,
cleaners have.
Carb cleaner has an anti-oxidation coating on them. And
Actually, I never knew that.
yeah,
Okay.
it'll leave behind a film basically.
I think I think I have heard of that.
Yeah. So, and then as soon as you do that, I just like
You're right.
hold the edges and drop it in.
Try not to.
Don't touch it. But yeah, any finger oils and stuff.
Look at it.
Wear gloves. Or is that not a good idea?
Nah, gloves is probably fine, but
I mean, as long as you
if-
don't have anything else on them.
don't touch the plate with the
Don't
gloves.
touch the chain.
Yeah.
Well, besides this, for the
These
but
things
still,
these hold a lot of oil in all the grooves and
Yeah,
stuff
yeah.
because these are when they make them they put oil on them too.
Yeah.
Those need cleaned also.
All right.
So about that engine, you probably could have ordered one.
Oh,
We
you-
could have gotten it to you if you let us know that you were getting it. We'll
Put
do
in the
special
order notes.
exceptions for racing events.
Gotcha.
So,
That's
cool.
good. I had just did the whole thing. I looked. I'm like, yeah, I'm not waiting. I'm just gonna go.
So our wait times are like here's typically a maximum wait time. Especially right now, we're cranking things out pretty good.
Saw you guys got like new machinery and everything.
Yeah,
Oh, you guys are gonna be doing cranks, I bet, pretty soon.
we're getting there.
Nice.
We've been so busy with building Menace kits and stuff.
Yeah.
It's
That's like
anytime.
taking over like
Oh yeah.
a whole bunch of your time.
As soon as I got the lathe and was like ready to set up for
I
cranks.
am gonna take it for a test run before I y'all.
Damn. All right, man.
Yeah. No.
free labor, by the way. Yeah, I'm
Hey,
kidding.
you're
I'm kidding.
putting these back together.
Did you bring anything else? Like springs, anything?
Not really. I mean, I brought a little bit of extra spare parts just for our race bike. It depends if you're asking for something specifically. I might have it,
What?
but as far as like other product stuff, most likely not. Like seals, yes. Head gaskets, yes.
Wait, just for Chinese cases, right? The crank seals. Because we might need to replace those.
what?
The engine has an air leak. The crank seals. He has.
Well, hold on. We don't know if it has an air leak. It ran fine.
Those are
I'm telling you,
stock.
yeah, but you saw that it ran fine before, and I took it for a ride, and it ran fine.
I don't have.
Yeah,
I don't have
at
stock
times. At times.
You don't
I
have
don't
those
stock
seals?
crank
I
seals.
can't blame you.
I don't have stock ones.
Yeah.
It's weird.
I have CNC crank seals. That's it.
Sean has a HD spring that he can bring for the Piaggio.
Yeah. Good luck getting a hold of them.
And we already have the shaft, but it also has a stock mandrel pin and a ferrule pin, and I don't want that. It's gonna bend easily, obviously.
I run stock.
I've always had that issue. So
I've always run
I mean the
stock.
I
mandrel
run
pin.
stock. I mean, the most that I ever did was I ran the state
We
I
could-
already have a kit. Like, as far as
Mine
like,
always
upgrade that
bent
thing,
like
I've never.
I've never had one
I
mandrel
don't
pin
know,
bend.
man. I think it's
Wait,
the way you're. Might be the way you're setting
Chris,
it up.
What about that one, the T6?
Oh, but that came that way. Because I was having that problem.
you said it came that way.
you
Yeah.
could use a drill bit or something to replace it.
Oh yeah.
I mean, to be safe.
I've had the mandrel pins like the ball where
No, I mean the
ball into
ferrule
it, but I've
pin.
never had it.
I mean,
I've
the
never had the
ferrule
barrel
pins.
pin bend. I've
I've
never had
always had that issue, and because I upgraded, I had to drill the mandrel pin, and that causes it to snap, and that sucks. So
Yeah, I don't know how.
it can, right?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I've never
Dude,
seen that.
I mean,
happen.
these stock pins always snapped on me every time, no matter what. So
Yeah, but
I
that's
had no
just.
choice.
Are you,
For me, it was 1100.
you putting too much preload on the
No, not that
flower
way.
nut or something?
User error.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I even did it on your spring, 480 spring. I think 4 turns or something, and it still snapped on me.
Chris,
Maybe
I think
4 or
Trent,
5.
maybe like Raoul.
Yeah, dude.
I had no choice but to buy it. I mean, I could have used drill bits, but I didn't really have it in. I don't know. Doesn't matter because I bought the RDM mandrel pins. Mandrel?
What?
RDM mandrel pins.
The bucking bar.
No, the RDM mandrel pin with a thread on it. The thread for the flower nut.
What?
The mandrel pin
Yeah.
with the ferrule pin that goes in.
The hardened one. Oh, okay.
RDM, yeah, the
Yeah,
hardened
oh, the
one.
hardened one. When did you buy
Well,
that?
Not
still have that?
hardened. I think machine though. Them,
No, he
it
said
has
that they
an
were
O-ring on it.
Oh,
two.
what?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't know
first
what
one
for.
I got, I snapped. I snapped back. He hardened them too hard.
Yeah, I remember him sending out, making a video saying that he was like, yeah, I hardened them a little too much.
Yeah.
I don't know what the O-rings are for. It doesn't. It can't. I can't even get in inside anyway.
It's the O-rings. There was 2 things. He was preparing for wet clutches. There was a time, not for him, but for other people, that were in the works of making wet clutches.
The Olean clutch.
Yeah. And
Yes, the stage 4.
and
No,
You have a
I've
stage
got,
4
I've got,
RDM.
I've got a stage 4, and I've got an Olean 2-disc wet clutch, and then he's got a 3-disc wet clutch
The what? You have a stage 4 and what?
and a wet clutch.
Oh yeah, what is it?
We don't have it here.
Oh,
I brought him the shims though. I had to custom make shims for it.
and what was the other one? The third one.
He has a 3-disc wet clutch. I have a 2-disc wet clutch.
Oh, that one.
No, a wet clutch.
The third one. So you have 2 wet
Yeah,
clutches.
2 wet clutches.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
and then the O-ring, it also prevents grease from coming in
Yeah.
to the
Yeah.
pads. That was the
Yeah.
biggest reason.
Oh, okay.
Was prevent pad contamination.
Oh, I need to put the.
Yeah, literally all we need is a new bearing for that wheel. It fucking broke. Well, I guess, because the chain
I have the cover
fell off
for that
and
thing.
pushed it or something.
Azrael was doing a lot of these things. He was,
I still talk to him pretty regularly.
yeah. He was working on these things for a while.
It's
I've seen
yeah.
a lot of the progress pictures and the samples and stuff, but
Yeah.
never actually.
I was in like the R&D group for it, but
So,
it kind of stopped. But I did a little bit of work on it mine recently, so I'm gonna try to make mine work on the RDM Gen 1 case that I have.
Oh, I got a pile full of Gen 1.
He's out.
cases.
Really?
Really?
What are like some of the big issues you find with those?
Stefan, is that for a
You have a pile, like,
is that for
you'd be willing to get rid of
CNC
some, or
or
what?
China doll? Or
Do I what? What?
is it?
They are
Is it
sitting in a storage
universal?
unit.
Yeah, it's universal.
So how do you?
What? It just bolts on.
Sitting in a storage
Looks
unit
good.
collecting dust?
Pretty much.
Yeah, but how do you seal?
I was keeping them for nostalgia.
The clutch
Um,
shaft.
And I'm really not in a hurry to get rid of them, but
Oh.
I could be talked into it.
How many
Who's
are
got
we
one?
talking? Like,
Are any of them anodized? Are they all
No,
unfinished?
They're all unfinished.
They're all unfinished.
are they unfinished as in no stud holes or?
So there's a mix. Some of the top decks, I have a mix of.
Beautiful. I like it.
Some of them, actually, I think a lot of them, just the like whole top deck operation just isn't.
Oh, they're like rough or something, or
They're just.
I just
they're
use
just, like completely uncut.
gas
Oh, okay.
makeup.
So
Right.
it would have to
Yeah,
be
this
something
will
that
do.
would
This will do.
need to be remachined or
it would need machined.
Yeah, need to
The
be finished.
deck
It's
operation would need.
It's gonna be
would need
hard
done.
for the
Okay.
reed valve. It's gonna be hard.
So it had
Maybe.
What?
Maybe.
the inside and outside
make one of those
operations
before
done.
the reed valve,
There's 5
the case,
operations to the
and the
cases.
reed
You do
valve.
one half
It might be
inside
hard.
outside, one half inside
So
outside.
usually gasket
And
gasket
then
makeup.
the last operation,
Maybe
the fifth
hard.
operation,
Easy.
actually
That's
6.
what I always
Not
use
really.
gas.
There's the deck operation, and then there's the case, the reed intake operation.
Mhm.
So some of them have the reed operation done. Some of them don't have the reed operation done. So those need holes drilled in those.
Yeah.
Some of them are done, some of them aren't. And then I think most of them, the entire deck surface is just like originally just still
Okay, like raw, unfinished.
to be
Man, you guys are sitting there. We gotta put
to
some
be
of this stuff
done
in.
with whatever you want to do with it.
Yeah, okay. I might be interested in some of that stuff.
Yeah, it's. I bought it. Oh, I didn't even buy it. It was all of Ryan's shit that he. When I worked in his shop,
okay.
it was there was a lot of just leftover stuff that he was like, yeah, here, go ahead, take it. And at the time, I was like, oh yeah, I'll do something with this.
But now it's just like kind of been more of a burden to you. than-
Yeah, it's not worth my time.
Yeah.
I spend way too much time trying to make these things work. And,
Put it on the clearance section.
yeah.
Oh, these are M5s. I need M5s. Oh shit.
It's like it's easier for me to just make an entire case at this point than to
Yeah,
I gotta
exactly.
make
Go,
a list.
go
One
and
of those
remachine. Oh yeah. Since I have one of those, what reeds do they use? I've heard that they use like a pocket bike reed or something.
MTA 4s.
Yeah, MTA4s. Yep. Yep.
They
heard
are
of that.
they are a pocket bike. Fellini pocket bike was the common. They also were used on RC airplane engines. They're little 39, 40 cc RC airplanes.
Huh. Wow. That's something.
Yeah. Those are the two applications of that engine. The MTA4. Also known as the GT90.
Yeah, the GT90.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Which is what the gas bike took it from.
Okay.
They took it to MTA4. Not very well known, but you can find them. They're not easy to find, but they're out there.
It's not just like something you can.
What's that? There?
No, at this point, you had to pretty much like
What's
design
that
your own,
staring
like
again?
3D print your own at this point, really.
You
15
could
by
probably
35.
find it. I could find it years ago.
I found it on AliExpress, but
Yeah.
you have to like do some It's not an exact fit. It has like a little
I thought it was
that you have to
30.
kind of.
Might.
30 for the clutch bearings.
I'm gonna measure it.
Oh,
It's
wheel bearings.
15.
Wheel bearings.
For that.
No,
It's-
we ordered those.
We ordered these already.
But
This is
actually,
12.
wait, I'm wrong. I'm
Yeah,
wrong.
for
I'm
this, for the engine.
wrong.
That's 15 by 35 by 11.
by 11. Hold on. Here.
That's 15 by 35 by 11.
11 and then
6202.
12,
6202. Yeah.
30.
That's why I was asking Ethan
By
if he
nine.
if he knew. If he had
Um,
any
Four.
chance.
looks like cut up
I think I
here.
should get it on eBay.
Oh shit.
Wow. Good.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a couple
You
of
would
those.
not be able to. Couldn't find these years ago.
Huh.
Find them pretty easy
Somebody
now.
has them. Who the hell has them? Yeah, look, they specifically say for motor or for two-stroke. Oh, I see.
Yeah, it's a little 39cc. fucking bikes.
Wow, $11 all day, dude.
Coming from California, it's probably right down the road.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, it's coming straight from a boat, but
Yeah.
straight up the.
I think actually this is the gear that we need to run.
What
It's
the?
a rebel gear.
I need an
What are you
M5.
using a 22 for?
I don't think. I just bought it. I bought it off eBay.
Did you forget to put
They're
the
doing
master link
like
on
a
your bike
clearance
and all
sale
that?
or something.
No, we did.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, it's right
I
here.
bought a couple of those sprocket adapters and like just the shit. Yeah, I saw that and I was like, oh shit, I gotta have that just in case, you know.
Yeah, wait, where's the,
I've done so much of that.
Where's the other little
All
link at,
the,
though?
all the different
You know, the
places.
actual
that
Oh, it's in it.
Oh, it's
You
in
know
done
it.
clearance stuff or.
The nice thing is
All
that
the
Ryan
companies that
still
put
is
that.
selling some of the like more unfinished stuff on
eBay.
Yeah. You sending them out?
Yeah, I got a
Really?
couple. Yeah, I know. Yeah. There's he's selling crank truing stands for $50. I got one of those. I
That's
was never able to get one.
We already
and
ordered that
I
bearing.
got one.
well,
And
I know.
No.
I already ordered it.
actually-
It's already been ordered. It's already been
I thought
ordered.
he was what?
like,
What?
I ordered it earlier today. It's coming tomorrow.
What?
These bearings
Oh,
arrive. These bearings arrive tomorrow, and these
Okay.
bearings arrive
oh,
tomorrow.
you ordered them.
Yeah. We ordered them a while ago.
What are
already.
they?
No.
He's
gonna
Dude,
be
I
pedaling
looked-
back
okay,
here in a minute.
I looked on the ground because I
They're-
didn't put it on
He
yet.
wasn't gonna start it.
Jackson,
He got to the corner.
Yeah.
Did you keep them
Yeah. If he has those, if he has these,
I was
that's
gonna put
great.
it back
These
on.
are 6202s.
He's losing
You got
that.
distracted.
Those
The
are
whole bike
6202s. Because look,
But
the shaft
for
is
the chain?
the
No,
shaft
this
is the
is
this is for the
Yeah,
for the
yeah,
BTG. It's a 15 it's a 15 millimeter shaft.
Just making sure.
He's gonna lose the
Oh, of course he's gonna lose the other piece of it.
link.
Wait, did you say you had an extra small neck spring that we could buy from you, or no? So we're
I-
gonna use.
I
we
thought
got
about it.
Fucking Raoul's, yeah.
Okay.
I thought about it as soon as I left. Like got on the plane, I was like, ah, shit. I probably should have brought a couple of those.
Yeah.
'Cause somebody's gonna need it.
This is a random question, but have you ever heard of the name Raoul Duke?
No.
Okay, good. You don't want to
Yeah,
know
he
Gorilla
is.
Clutch.
Yeah. Long story.
It's Gorilla Clutch.
Don't ask.
Don't worry about it. Yeah, we shouldn't even brought it up.
Yeah.
I want to know about it now.
Yeah, okay.
No,
well,
you do. You know
Oh
you
shit.
do.
Oh dude.
So they like to pick on people.
Alright, so here's what it is.
I don't know where he goes.
So his Gorilla Clutch is legitimately like he takes the mandrel,
Thanks,
right, and he bores out the hole,
Dude,
Makes it bigger?
where's the
and he
link?
just uses a
It's
bigger
on the ground,
mandrel
dude.
pin
He's
than the
dragging.
little small
I
one that's
screamed.
there right now. There's a little the ferrule pin or whatever you call it, right?
Okay.
That's what his Gorilla Clutch is.
Nobody
A
believes
thicker, yeah, a thicker ferrule pin.
I hope it's still in.
And your spring.
Yeah, and your spring.
And your spring.
And your spring, yeah. So your spring with the bigger ferrule pin, he calls it a Gorilla Clutch.
He just.
Yeah, he just like just drills it out.
Yeah,
It's like
just
10
drills it out, so 10 mil, yeah.
So the 8.
Instead of the
Yeah.
8, yeah. Yeah.
Why?
I don't
I
know.
don't know.
What does that accomplish?
Well, like
I
how
wish
this
I
guy
knew.
always bends them, right? So I guess it accomplishes
No,
it.
he doesn't bend those. He bends the little one.
Yeah,
Right.
that's what he
The
does.
collar.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
That's what we're saying.
he gets like a hardened
Bring
shaft.
bring the thing. Bring that clutch. Bring it.
Where
Where
the
is
hell
it?
Oh,
Uh,
man, don't make me go chase it
How
down.
does he?
Watch. Where's the flashlight?
Those little.
Yeah, I have
The
fun.
little the collar pin.
yeah.
Those
that
are
thing.
like. Those
I
are
love
like
that y'all were talking
3
about it.
millimeter.
Yeah. It's like
Oh, I'm
no,
trying
it's
to
not
see
10
if I have
millimeter. It's
a
like
actual master link.
Yeah,
it's
you
like
like 1/8 inch. Those are small.
whatever he drills.
The
He
pin.
drills it out to like
Oh,
I
You know, we
think
have the top and bottom.
we have the Vince.
316.
Oh, well.
We need
Yeah, I think 316.
Oh, there's this.
I can fucking remember.
Kid, I take.
Hey,
off
hey,
and put
hey,
that
what'd
on.
you doing, Thea?
Match for like
Oh,
top and bottom.
just
Here.
I'll throw them out. I'll throw them in the box.
This isn't your spring, but you see how he,
Yeah,
yeah.
that little pin right
Yeah,
there.
he bores it out to 10 millimeters. Yeah.
There's no way you can pour that out.
No, not 10. It's
No, for real.
just a little bigger.
This is
Just a little
it's,
bigger.
it's just a little bit
This
bigger.
could be 10.
Is this a little bigger?
It's just a little bigger. I don't know
Oh.
why I said 10.
Oh.
Just
Like that one could be 10. Like all right, you can make like that's an 8. You can make that a 10.
Right.
But like I still don't know what that accomplishes.
So I guess he just makes this a little bigger. So let's just say it's 2 millimeters.
What
He makes it
else?
3 millimeters.
I mean,
I think that's it.
And then you put your spring in there.
Um,
That's obviously not your spring.
what's his name?
Raoul. Raoul. Duke.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's on.
He's on like
He's got
YouTube or
a
something.
YouTube channel.
Yeah, YouTube channel.
What else?
The purest of motorized bicycles.
Yeah, I know. I figured Tambo's like an e-guy. He's like an e-bike guy. He's
Whoa,
like,
whoa,
that's
whoa,
the
whoa,
deflating.
don't even say
That is
Don't
an
even say
e-bike
that.
kind of thing to do,
But-
isn't it?
Yeah, it is. That is.
Oh
He
my
should have
God.
the
Set me up
jog
for
for us,
fair.
right?
Dude. Like, set me up for
Sean?
fails.
Sean should have a jog for us.
Somebody that's buying
Jog read?
Yeah.
in a row.
Probably. Well, I can't say it. I can't say the guy's real name, but well, I mean, it's on here.
This guy right here. I don't know what he's actually. Here, let me look at it this way.
Oh, a bunch of springs.
It's like a comic book character.
So wait,
Oh my god.
You got it?
does the puck ignition have a coil internally or what?
Tambo's a fucking e-bike.
So
Oh, what? The
okay.
My bad.
I appreciate that.
Okay, whatever.
I'm just watching.
I pedal my ass off. What's up?
Damn, I
I
can't
didn't
figure
push.
it out.
I didn't. I hit the corner when I pretty full the fucking clutch, and then it just automatically snapped. Fucking e-bikers, bro. Fucking e-bikers. Always hitting on a goddamn gas China bike.
Jesus.
Always hitting on China bikes. God damn it! You is this what I was expecting on the track? What the hell is this?
Yeah, but
What did you do to my bike?
Sabotage.
That looks like you sabotaging something else.
Oh, we don't need that junk.
that just broke off, whatever that was.
What did it break off of?
I think the tip of the mast. Oh, it came out of the.
Oh, where
It
we
came
broke
out
the
of
other
it
one
came
off.
out of the hole. The other one got
Oh.
broken off when you went to drop the clutch.
Go ahead and say where you broke the other one off.
Yeah, we can't find that dude.
Oh, I've already broken the actual main drive ones by pedaling. This one, the blue bike, yeah.
Well, here's your souvenir.
I'll make a fucking belly pad.
Where's that find him? I'll point him out to you. But yeah, he always. Oh,
my nipple.
God, that's where I can point him out to you. Here it is.
Huh? Oh.
How do I?
Yeah,
I can't remember what I actually did.
Where do I get?
always the comments.
Yeah, it's.
He's in the
It's
comments.
so bad.
Where are all these comments? I'm really like slow on some of this stuff. So here we go. Unresponsive. Ah, that guy.
What about the cover?
Oh
That
no!
Yes.
He recognizes
The
the
lowest setting.
That photo is from a movie, but this is his look.
But supposedly this
modifying
bike-
the super glue clutch grip setup. And so this is he's showing you how he's
Am I ready to rock?
Something else.
No. He still
Right, that's
set me
your
up for
spring.
what I was gonna do earlier.
No.
No,
That's way too thin.
that's way too thin.
That's
okay.
not mine.
Okay.
There's too many coils.
Okay.
Definitely on mine.
Yours is what?
I
like
think
4
maybe
coils?
only some of them that he uses are small like
Well, this is like
springs.
4 coils,
He's-
right? Technically.
He paid his mom for
Yeah, it's 4 actors.
that. He lived
Right, so there you go. Yeah.
As you may by the time you're 35.
Hey, I mean, I don't know about that one. Hopefully, I'll have
You're
it.
closing in on it, man.
I'm gonna get through college.
Right on the kitchen floor.
Yeah.
That's how it starts college.
Best way to do it.
Trent needs this. Where did he get this?
Hello, Jared. What's going on?
He's breaking
Did
these
you
things.
just in?
Yeah.
For
I love it.
Oh, see, there's a thicker one.
I love it.
now, this came in the mail today. Your standard original fucking, keys.
Stefan,
that go in there.
what about the cover? The sprocket cover for the Piaggio. Do we have it?
I think so. Yeah. Should be in with the cover. That we can do.
No, for the sprocket.
I know.
There you go.
Yeah, she fits.
I'm really honored that you guys would play that.
Oh, where's that?
Like,
So I guess people think the plays is something a big deal.
it's about an inch bigger than your stand.
I know. I love the look on his face.
That's where you need your.
Don't worry, I locked it in. You didn't set me up again.
You're black.
I was
and
trying to-
drill, man.
Oh, he actually modified these.
I'm guesstimating.
You only needed a couple more scratches.
I was sure he has little bands.
Yeah, I got myself.
3/4.
I was hearing the goalpost.
Yeah. I love this game.
Sport. It's the ingenuity here.
Yeah.
Gotta look at the DIY.
Alright, needs to be drilled a little bit more. Hold on.
That is exactly what YouTube's for.
Hold on. Hold on. Just give it a little bit more. Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on. Let me change the bit size. Hold on.
Mine came with rifling.
There you go.
Rifling.
Rifling.
What? Yeah, I just don't know what that's gonna do.
Learning something, China? This is about the 50th time that I showed this now.
There goes metal.
And see, they're a lot fatter than the fucking little fucking
Whoever's
pen that they
missing
give
it,
you.
they're missing.
Now we do the crank. Well, the pen for the throw rod, no.
Never touches the crank.
Oh yeah, then you gotta do
See,
that.
doesn't quite
I gotta blow that out.
fit.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's right. That sounds.
Right, because you don't leave much material. Yeah.
3/16 drill bit. HSS drill bit. Has to be
Right.
the gold ones.
You know what that stands for?
Yeah, it does
Yeah.
not.
HSS. Yeah, you just naming things off.
I did a similar thing.
Gotta be the gold one.
That's what I was doing.
No way.
No,
Really?
the drilling the hole for the upgraded pins. That's what I was doing.
Sounds
Yeah,
like
the
he's
broke.
got
Then
a
you
real,
broke down.
a real good.
Which
you
is
don't-
why they kept snapping.
Right, because
Yeah.
you're not leaving any material.
I mean, you know,
You shouldn't even drill the hole. You shouldn't
Needs drill.
use a drill bit or something.
Finesse on it.
Hey, we're just laughing with him, not at him.
yeah.
Takes a couple tries. Alright, hammer.
I'm gonna smack it.
Oh.
I dig it.
Got to drill it out just a little bit more.
Alright, well, you're killing me, Smalls. Come on, man. You're not leaving any material on the sides.
And he's using a fucking giant drill too.
Oh, yeah.
The fucking cord,
You're not leaving
corded
any
one too.
material on the sides, man.
Some sandpaper.
Damn.
Are you gonna chamfer it now, brother?
Fucking hear him going by.
Wow.
There you
I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for it to cease.
Sounds like shit.
Yeah, dude. It sounds like a turkey.
go. It's been an amazing trip.
Yeah, alright, yeah. It's been a great trip. It's like a month on the road, man.
Vice grip.
40 days.
40
40
days.
days.
3 days.
It takes some finesse.
He came from Florida, bro.
Florida.
He left
Yeah.
like 3 weeks early.
No, 40 days.
40 days.
40 days in the desert all the way here.
40
dude.
days?
This couldn't be any better. We are having a
Oh my god, I
fantastic
swear to
time.
god, I saw his light for a second.
We have motorized bike across our great nation again.
Yeah.
Oh, I see his light.
Bike the whole way.
He was
I
empty,
have
bro.
before.
He tried to.
Oh.
Yeah, he tried to, bro. Yeah, he tried to. Yeah.
We went a little crazy just
Oh
to
my
get somewhere
God.
that way. It's dry.
Yeah.
So we took the little truck.
What's this guy doing off camera? I want to see what he's doing. Is he just doing like a little bit more?
This is where he swaps out the clutch shaft. He modded one already.
That fucker's really on there. I
Alright.
think they gave me the more high quality fucking shaft. Yeah, that's high quality metal there. Holy shit. At least they gave me something fucking good.
Oh my god.
Jeez.
Fucking love this guy, dude.
Oh, this is it. Oh my god.
it's right there.
So, this thing's a pain in my ass.
What are you doing? You didn't drill that one now.
That was pedals.
Come on, bro.
Gonna have to figure out just a little bit more. There's
my
some kind of
God.
metal binding going on.
Metal binding, bro. That
Metal binding?
You know, he's close to 1,000 now.
More like 1,000th from that snapping.
Yeah, dude. You didn't leave anything.
There she is.
Let me see how much wall you left, bro. Can I see how much wall you God
The correct
damn.
way of having a fucking hardened steel belt thing.
Bro, look at how much
Dude.
wall he
Oh
left.
my
Oh my
God.
god.
Lucas. Ooh, look. Ooh, look.
Take it out, take it out, take it out, take it out. Yeah, come on.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. And you don't shave down too much fucking metal.
Come
Just
on,
get
Raul.
enough to get the pin in there. That's
Come
about it.
on. There's already that much metal there,
Come
bro.
on, dude.
This is why all them Chinese engines fail. This fucking matter.
That's why right there. Yep.
You fucking want it, you're golden. The only thing you have to worry about is that you're running the
Bro, last
engines.
year, you got some
bearings
of that
fucking fail.
Native
That's about
American
it.
in you or something.
Alright. We just drilled this out.
Look how much fucking metal is there.
It's sticking again.
Don't tell me you're gonna drill
Come
that
on.
again.
I lost 3 miles.
I lost 3 miles.
On the kitchen floor.
Christ, Eric took me kick my ass.
You bitch, I just had you.
That
in
wasn't
here.
your bike.
Why are you playing hard to get now?
Swear to God, this shit just lights.
Gotta be the most
touches
irritating
right to
thing I've
self.
seen on YouTube in a long time.
The motorized bike
Give me
community
that
is
sandpaper
amazing.
again.
Oh, I love it, dude. I love it. I fucking love it.
It's all
If
the
you take
same.
the steps and do this,
That's right off.
fucking problem anymore. Everybody on Facebook wants to know about this mod, but you gotta come over to YouTube in order to learn about it.
Yeah, man.
Right. Yep.
Raul, I love you, bro.
Hey,
Raul, hey.
I don't even know where the hell that
He
question
doesn't mind. He is so impressed right now. I guarantee that Houston is watching that.
Yeah.
Even laughing is a good
Man, I
enough.
just had this fucker in here and now acts like he's on one of
What you
You chamfered it with the sandpaper fucked it up,
I
bro.
asked him to give it a 10.2 and I lost 3 miles an hour.
I got a boost bottle over here.
No, I don't want to prove you guys wrong. That thing does give you good
Music.
arguments.
Yeah, cue the music. Alright, can you put it together now?
Yeah, where's the music?
He's not going to tell me how nice this works.
He literally hit play on his fucking radio, bro.
Did you see the cassette player?
He literally hit fucking play.
That's what it is?
One of them
The
has
cassette
player?
player?
One of them has cassette player.
Oh my God.
Literally
Old school.
Yeah.
Can't get better shot work than
Great
that.
music, though. Good little tune.
Yeah.
Shotgun,
I'm
is
with
that
it.
player with the CD player or just an AM FM radio?
I think it's like the Dragon Ball Z thing.
Yeah, I'm with it. I'm
No.
with it. I'll take
I'm
it.
gonna show you how this son of a bitch
We got rid there for part two.
Dude, how long is this video?
takes
20
clutch
minutes.
shafts.
Oh my fucking god.
Once it's on,
I was going to
I
check
think
that
this is enough of
beforehand.
it, though. I just kind of wanted to show you from the part that, for what
watch
he did.
this.
Yeah, this is more than enough.
Yeah. What's
Can we skip to the end?
When the pin,
Oh, wait. No.
no,
We gotta
it's
see that.
simple. Wheels clutch because I don't have the fucking money.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
Money's tight around here.
Talking
I
about
do
36
what's
and
called
36 on
ghetto budget clutches. How you doing?
Ghetto budget clutch.
hmm.
Did it go in? You gonna drill out some more? Okay.
There you go. There's the fix.
What does that do?
That helps you. That is the fix.
And when you turn it, watch,
When you're dirty wet. I don't.
this doesn't wiggle much.
Much.
Okay.
Versus. What was it?
Does your clutch have a hard steel dog pin? No, it don't.
Like I said, I
That's
lost
cheap
3
Chinese
miles.
butter metal. This is hard steel dog pin. Then you take your fucking spring.
Don't fit on top of that.
No.
Okay. It runs like a fucking e-biker touched it.
Now you might have to do some slight grind.
All it's just missing is a fucking solar panel.
Or this side, but I pre-mod them so you don't have to do that.
Oh, thank you.
Goes down on the fucking shaft like this.
Where is it? How is it? How is it
What you
holding
do
the
is-
pin in place? Yeah, you don't have to worry
Being
about that.
picky with me right now.
Oh. Let's do it.
This fucker's got the stiffer spring. That's why this is hard to do. Plus my finger's fucked up because of angle grinder incident.
Angle grinder. Oh, it was that one.
There's your clutch.
I
and
remember
then
when
you
he said
adjust your
something about
spring, whether it be the Smolik or the hyper-powered bike's fucking spring.
Yeah, that's great.
And look, watch this. Watch. It don't wiggle. It don't wiggle. It pushes the shaft down and connects to the fucking metal that's underneath here and pushes it back and keep it there until you engage the fucking clutch and this comes forward.
I think he's just explaining how stock clutch works.
Then I got the little gears that goes on this. You got your little torquey torque gear. This goes on the clutch side.
No.
And then this.
Yeah, it goes on the other side, broski.
It goes on the crank. Oh my god.
Bro,
It's like
you are.
Legos, you know? You ever grew up with Legos? Yeah.
You smoke too much.
That's your drive side.
You are too high. You need to put the pipe down. When the pipe is hot, you put the shit down,
And
bro.
on this side, your clutch basket goes here, and then your flower and shit.
Raw would not do drugs.
There you go.
So, Jared, check it out.
He knows. He knows.
This bad boy. 1 second. These
Oh,
I think I'm in
shit.
the chat.
Smoke springs. This one and the other one that's in my garage is going to Silly Science. Oh, yeah.
Oh shit.
Shit, I was going that way, right?
We don't need the flux capacitor.
Flux capacitor? Oh, what?
What flux capacitor?
Bigger than the Chinese mount that they use.
It's bigger than the Chinese.
Yeah, I
model.
think he was holding up 1 or 2 flux capacitors
Trust me,
earlier.
once you do this mod,
You were, don't lie, you dangled them by their wires.
Your clutch will never slip when you do this mod.
Right. The one mod that Dr.
So I'm gonna take this clutch and put it on a
Fucking
15
Pia-
horsepower.
We will test that theory.
Absolutely. And he even proved
Yeah.
it.
Wait.
All right, I'm
So now we
getting
can.
over it.
What are we gonna do if we prove him wrong?
Well, you were gonna have to pull up his comments.
Yeah.
Wrong.
Yeah. Well, you know what? Let's see what his comment says. Let's see what the other people said. He does. He's got 130 views. There's no comments.
Chat. There's a live stream.
Yeah. Try and learn something new from me, you dumbass people.
Jesus Christ.
You clicked it.
It just keeps going.
Oh shit! I love it. I love it.
What's the most recent one?
What's his most recent video? SNL. Motorized bike. The
Super Gorilla Clutch. What the hell?
another leg setup again.
Avenger.
Yeah. Listen, that was enough.
Gorilla Clutch.
Yeah, that was enough for Ethan. Or he probably he probably lost brain cells watching that video, dude. Oh my god.
Might have.
Yeah, lost brain cells watching that video. That's time I can't get back. 20 minutes of my life I cannot get back.
You wouldn't want it back. It's very
What I
fun.
did- Yeah, you remember what I did that promotion.
Oh my god.
All right.
All right. Well, look, we gotta keep going here.
Yeah.
This promotion.
So we can't do the clutch.
Whatever. Cool.
Exhaust gas. Where's the exhaust gas again?
Ah, I need a trace test. I'm not really sure how to quite
Put it.
right here. This is the only material I can use, but what I wanted to try to do is, this isn't really going to help me trace it per se.
Do we have the bolts for this?
No, wait, I need M5 bolts. But I was trying to figure out an easy way
What
to.
hole should we use? What?
I think it's these two.
I think using this.
I think it's.
God.
What? Oh yeah.
Fuck it.
Yeah. I think it's these two, dude. Those two. I think it's those two. I think it's these two, right?
All right, I'm shutting the stream off. Go watch Jared's stream if you want to watch some quality content.
Oh, there it goes.